Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
What happened on February 1st? Colorado's law, the transparency law, went into effect, and Uber was denied their injunction on 12/31 at later in the day. It was probably like 4 p.m. MST when that came out. But either way, they have to abide by the law. But the question is, are they actually abiding by the law or not? And what's going on there?
Okay. So this will be a two-parter actually. So their temporary injunction relief request was denied by the judge. And as of February 1st, SB 75 is law. And both companies have to abide by the law. It's the law, Uber and Lyft. The law.
Not just both,
So
but
now,
all the big companies have to.
well, yeah, because there is part of it. House Bill 1195 is for delivery, and SB 75, the Senate bill, is for rideshare. So, what happens is that next week, actually, so Uber, I have news for you. So investigation continues. I sure hope to God, Uber and Lyft, that you guys are sending the receipts with the new transparency laws in mind to the riders, because I'm sniffing something that's really foul here, and each offense is punishable by $1,000. I'm just going to wait until next week to see if you guys are really, really following the law. If not, we'll just go back to February 1, try to figure out how many trips you've done in Colorado. Times 1,000 could be a lot of money. So that's next week. You have to come back on that, Uber and Lyft. But as soon as the injunction fell through, they sent this email. Now, I dig things, and I love digging things. I'm like a chihuahua that you don't want. I'm just going to keep digging and shitting in your pants. And this is what's going to happen. So Uber is sending this in-app message to drivers in Colorado saying that there's a negative impact. This bad law that we knew was coming for 7 months, and the last minute we said it's against Uber's First Amendment rights. Please don't make this go on. Was thrown out. It was like ridiculous 51-page lawsuit. Long story short, now they're sending this to drivers on February 1. A new Colorado law takes effect, and you will see changes to your driving experience. You will need to update your app to access the latest changes as if the changes were beneficial to the driver. Because of this new law, you will see these changes in the app. You tell me if this is not retaliation. 1, riders will no longer be able to tip during trips, which will mean millions in lost earnings for Colorado earners every year.
Okay,
2,
hold on. Hold on before you go on. First of all, absolute bullshit. Tipping is whatever you want to do. Every business allows it. That's 100% bullshit right there. Secondly, fine. I don't need you to tip me through the app. You know what you can do? Get a Venmo, get your QR code, get Stripe, get your QR code, get PayPal, get your QR code, put it up in the back seat of the car, and then put this stuff up on your little tag there saying Uber is fucking drivers over, and you could tip me directly instead of going through these companies, because then you can give them a big fuck you.
Yeah, so I got freaky emails about this, Chris, from Colorado drivers, but then I'm working with them, so I'm going like, calm down, read it again. It doesn't say that this takes away the rider's possibility of tipping at all after the trip. I don't know what percentage of riders tip during the trip. This is just during the trip, people. Don't freak out. However, according to Uber, it says which will mean millions in lost earnings. That means a lot of people tip during the trip. You know what I'm saying? Because they have the data. 2, text-heavy rating screen that increases the risk of distracted driving. I have 2 words for you, Uber. Trip radar. Distracted. Talk about distracted driving. How about forward dispatch, Uber? Before I finish the trip, covers up my screen with another trip.
Wait,
Number
my
3,
question
Uber.
though is, why are you driving? Hold on.
Uber?
Why are you driving with the rating screen? Because that's at the end of the trip when you're literally ending the trip and then the rating screen goes there. How does that make any sense?
Just bullshit, bro. And number 3, drivers will lose access to the following Uber Pro rewards in Colorado. Next page. You all will lose area preference, which I really like. Actually, I like a more area filter on the Lyft app, but area preference is something that people use. Priority support, you're going to lose. Premium support, you're going to lose. Extra destination filter, you're going to lose. And Uber goes, this is not retaliation. We're not retaliating. I'm like, are you?
Okay, so you want to know something fun? So I put this bill, the entire bill, into ChatGPT, and I asked, and then I put this email into ChatGPT, and I said, "Is there anywhere in the bill that Uber has to follow these?" And ChatGPT spit out and says, "There is nothing in this law that states that they have to do this. This seems more of a retaliatory practice."
Okay, so
that was straight from ChatGPT.
I'm going to
So no, Uber does not have to do this. This is 100% retaliatory.
Well, I know that, but I'm going to retaliate to this garbage with my retaliation of look at the law. Look at the law. Page 22. I read all goddamn 28 pages of it. Put the next one up, please. Right there. This is page 22 of SB 75, Uber. Right there it says, driver acceptance or rejection of a transportation task on or after February 1, 2025. A transportation network company shall not suspend, deactivate, or retaliate against a driver based on the driver's lawful acceptance or rejection of one or more transportation tasks by hampering driver access to driver support, ride offers, destination of area preferences. So it says, don't hamper with this shit, Uber. And you just took it off? Isn't that breaking the law? This is the fucking law. You read it. Maybe I didn't understand it. Go ahead, read it. It's breaking the law. This is existing law, Uber. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I think we'll finish right there. Right there, that's the law. This is from SB 75. See, Uber, look at it on the bottom. I know you're taking a screenshot now. Page 22, Senate Bill 2475. This is the law you're breaking by retaliating like that.
Boom.
Case closed.
Now that's the real mic drop moment.
Case closed. See ya. And the real one is next Tuesday. I'm going to get my hands on these receipts.
This time
that's $1,000 an offense. $1,000 each. How many trips do you think Uber does in Colorado in a week, Uber? I mean, Chris, Uber and Lyft, how many do you think they do?
I don't know. Probably. I mean, if they're doing 1 million trips an hour.
Yeah. Well, a few. I'm sure a few.
I'm sure they're probably doing tens of thousands a day.
Yeah. All right, we'll find out. Times 1,000. It's going to be a lot of money. Anyway. I close the case on this one. We'll go to the next one.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right. Drive smart, everyone.